I said, no, you don't do that. Good boy. Did you fall down? Did you fall off the bed? Who's a fool? Who's a fool? Hector. Puppy. What is it? What are you doing? There we go. Hey, stop it, you two. Dallas. What? Go and lie down. What is it? I told you no. Oi, shut up. Dallas, Diana. Who's a big squish ball? He. Oh, should we tickle that belly? Oh, let's tickle that. Colt, leave him. Colt, leave him. Diana, get down. No, not everybody. Colt, sit down. No, go. Didn't make that. That was a right noise. Right, watch my laptop. There'll be trouble. No, if you're going to play, you get down. Chill out up here. You two, stop it. Rain, go and lie down. Are you being demanding to me? What is it, little man? Colt, move. Look at that big face. What are you doing, puppy boy? Train away. Don't do that. Move, Colt. Don't ruin it. Should we put the fan on? Ooh, what's that? What do you think of that? Is that keeping you cool? Move. Go and lie down, Dallas. I can see you. Go and lie down, I've said. Go and lie down. Do not rip that apart. No, stay there. There's enough dogs over here, isn't there? Really? Is that what you think? Is that what you want? Stay there, get down. Get down, I said. Alright, not for everybody. See what you've started. See what you've started. I know. Hey, pack it in. Girls. Diana, that was not... Right. My gosh. See what happens when we bring a puppy in here. See what happens. You causing trouble with all my girls? Are you causing trouble with all my girls? Are you? Where are they going? Get down. Created a bit too much excitement. I know this is the peace and quiet room. No. Hey, I've said no. Never mind answering back. Never you mind answering back. That's a good boy, aren't you? Hey? You a good boy? Yeah? It's nice to see you still for 2 seconds, isn't it? You're never still. You're never ever still, are you? No. If you come here, I can rub your belly. Oh. And the cats come to sort you out. No, we don't do that. Nah, no scratching. No. How's everybody gone?